Hi, I'm Jordan, and this is my first RPA project created using UiPath. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. What it does is that it will mimic human actions on the computer. And what great about this UiPath is that it has VB programming embedded in it. So let's jump right into the project. So basically, I've created a flowchart to extract 1,000 records of high-volume stock data from Yahoo Finance. So firstly, you will open Yahoo Finance, scrape the data from Yahoo Finance top volume stocks, after which you will write the extracted data into this Excel file, high volume stock Excel file. So let me open this Excel file and show you what it has now. So that to show you that there's currently no data in this Excel file. So let's run the robot to see how it works. So firstly, the robot will open the browser and go to Yahoo Finance top volume stock page. It will then extract the data from the web page. Once the robot has extracted 1,000 data from Yahoo Finance web page, the process will stop automatically. Imagine me extracting 1,000 data. I do not know how long it would take, but with RPA, I can complete the whole process within minutes. So let's wait patiently for the robot to extract the data for me. I guess it was going to be completed soon. So the extraction has been completed. Let me show you the Excel file. So just now when we opened the Excel file, there was nothing. Now there is 1,000 records of stocks that are high volume, and all the data was in this Excel file. So just let me scroll down all the way to show you there is actually 1,000 records. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.